Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature the Ocha Milk Tea Shop franchise business ideas. Ocha Milk Tea Shop is the newest brand of House of Franchise Incorporated family. They have adopted their existing franchise systems that ensures high-quality food and exemplary customer service. House of Franchise vast resources and experiences have allowed them to successfully create their milk tea line today and to the world. Ocha products. For the product size, the price for 330 ml is 75 pesos only. For 500 ml, it is worth 100 pesos only. For the base products, Ocha Signature, Ocha Milk Tea. For the sinkers, they have black pearl, coconut jelly, and gulaman. For floaters, they offer chocolate, rock salt, and cheese. For the franchise package benefits, number 1, use of trade name and logo. Includes their inviting concept of Ocha is always a good idea. Number 2, site assistance. For those who would like to seek help in finding the right location. Number 3, no royalty fee and renewal fees. The good news is they do not have renewal fee and royalty fee, which is one of the benefits of being a franchise, unlike other companies wherein their franchise fee is costly than or almost 400,000 pesos. Number 4, affordable package. Low cost of franchise package available with undeniably overwhelming inclusions. Number 5, training. Consists of the orientation of menu, preparation, use of the equipments, making of inventory reports, and extensive on-site training during the first days of operation. Number 6, extra income and enhancement of entrepreneurial skills. Investing means the need to have additional income for you and your family. Moreover, deciding to invest means unleashing your goal to be an entrepreneur. Number 7, products. Its tasty variations of siomai are made scrupulously with no extenders and from quality ingredients partnered with a refreshing gulaman juice. Number 8, operating support. Continuous monitoring and meticulous maintenance of the concept and operation is needed to assure the quality of service. And lastly, number 9, marketing and promotion. Constantly joins exhibits and events, being featured in Entrepreneur magazine, sponsors TV shows, and being endorsed by celebrities. For the franchise package, start your Ocha Milk Tea Shop franchise business now for only 598,888 pesos only. For the franchise package inclusion, free Ocha Milk Tea franchise can only be claimed within 2 years upon availment and cannot be convertible into cash. Available only in the Philippines. Number 1, use of trade name and logo. Number 2, use of business system. Number 3, heavy-duty Ocha shop with storages. Number 4, acrylic embossed signage. Number 5, menu tarpaulin 24x60 with stand. Number 6, 27-inch menu TV with bracket. Number 7, stainless sink. Number 7, stainless sink with grease trap. Number 8, LED panel light with signage and lightings. Number 9, beverage dispenser machine. Number 10, exhaust fan. Number 11, hand mixer. Number 12, heavy-duty electric stove. Number 13, ice cooler. Number 14, manual cupping machine. Number 15, stainless electric kettle. Number 16, Ocha apron. Number 17, Ocha cup. Number 18, complete admin materials. Number 19, complete cleaning materials. Number 20, complete operating utensils. Number 21, operations manual. Number 22, notarized franchise contract, sub-meter, breaker, range hood, and other improvements not included or optional. The following franchising fees shall be waived by the company: cash bond, marketing fee for 1 year, one-time ocular inspection. The client can propose 2 to 3 locations within 2-kilometer radius and subject for approval of department head and one-time card delivery. For the franchising procedure, here are the steps on how to franchise Ocha Milk Tea Shop. Number 1. You must have an ideal location where to put Ocha Milk Tea Shop. They may have available locations ready to franchise. Contact them to learn more. Number 2. Contact them to get the initial requirements form of ocular inspection. You can email them at official@siaomaikingfranchising.com or send them a message at their Facebook page at siaomaikingphl. Number 3. Fill up the form and send to official@siaomaikingfranchising.com. Number 4. Their company will conduct an ocular inspection for that location. Number 5. Once approved, pay the franchise fee of 598,888 pesos to their main office. And lastly, number 6. They will now start processing and building your cart. What is the ROI or return of investment? As you start the business, your one question will be, how long can I get back my capital? The answer is 12 months is your estimated ROI. How much will you earn if you franchise Ocha Food Cart? Answer: the answer will be based depending on your location, or let's say how many is the foot traffic in your location. For the contact details, you may contact Ocha Milk Tea Shop with the address 35 Show Boulevard, Barangay San Antonio, Pasig City, Philippines. You may contact their mobile number at 63917-7129-286. You can send them an email at official@siaomaikingfranchising.com. You can also visit their website at https://siaomaikingfranchising.com/product/Ocha Milk Tea Food Cart. You can also visit their Facebook page at i.love.ocha. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Ocha Milk Tea Shop franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.